Good morning everyone, this is teacher Joanna and I will be your teacher in mathematics. Now before we start our lesson, let us first have this drill. Are you ready? Okay, very good. So everyone, 4 divided by 2, 6 divided by 2, 8 divided by 2, 10 divided by 2, 12 divided by 2. So 4 divided by 2 equals 2, 6 divided by 2 equals 3, 8 divided by 2 equals 4, 10 divided by 2 equals 5, and 12 divided by 2 equals 6. So all together, go. 4 divided by 2, 6 divided by 2, 8 divided by 2, 10 divided by 2, 12 divided by 2. 4 divided by 2 equals 2, 6 divided by 2 equals 3, 8 divided by 2 equals 4, 10 divided by 2 equals 5, and 12 divided by 2 equals 6. Now, I'm going to show you some fractions, okay? And then, you're going to tell me what kind of fraction is shown to you. So, the first fraction is 7 over 2, okay? So, what kind of fraction is that? Okay, that is an improper fraction. Very good. Okay, 7 over 2 is an improper fraction. Next, we have 2 and 1/2. So, what kind of fraction is that? That is a mixed number. Very good. So, 2 and 1/2 is an example of mixed numbers. Now today, we are going to talk about changing mixed number to improper fraction and vice versa. Meaning of this vice versa is that mixed number to improper and improper fraction to mixed number. We are going to change mixed number to improper fraction and then improper fraction to mixed number. That's what we are going to do today. Now I'm going to tell you the steps, okay? Of course, you have to know the steps on how to change mixed number to improper fraction. Now, are you ready to listen? Very good. So, I want you to remember these steps. First, for you to change mixed number to improper fraction, you have to multiply first the whole number and the denominator. So the first step is that multiply the whole number and the denominator. And then the next thing that you should do is add the numerator to the product. So the answer will be the numerator of the improper fraction. And then the last is you're going to copy the denominator. Again, first, multiply the whole number and the denominator, and then add the numerator to the product, and then copy that product will be your numerator, and then just copy your denominator. Now, for you to fully understand the step, I'm going to show you a video. So, you have to listen to this video for you to be able to understand how to change mixed number to improper fraction. Okay? Okay, so that's the video. Okay, listen carefully. Okay, so listen attentively.
You've got to know how to do this when you're doing fractions. Let me walk you through how to make sense of it so you can do it too.
Okay.
Here's a mixed number.
Okay, that's an example of mixed number.
Called a mixed numeral.
Okay, it can be named as mixed numeral or mixed fraction.
They all mean the same thing.
So they are just the same thing.
Every mixed number contains a whole number
Apo, a whole number and a fractional
Here
part.
2 and 2/3, that's 2 whole ones, and the fractional part is 2/3.
Okay.
When we change between a mixed number and an improper
To
fraction,
improper
we're
fraction,
saying how many parts there are in total, and we're giving that information in the form of a fraction. The denominator tells us how many parts are in each whole. A denominator of 3 means that each whole has 3 parts, and we have 2 wholes. This fractional part tells us that we have 2 parts out of 3. We can see all our parts in this diagram. how many parts have we got? There are 2 wholes, so that's 2 lots of 3,
Yes.
6, plus 2 more parts, that's 8. And we keep the same denominator because this is still parts out of 3.
Okay.
So we put the total number of parts, that's 8,
Over
our
3.
denominator of 3.
Okay.
And there's your improper fraction.
Yes. But
We
there's
can
an
also do
easier
this
way on how
without
to get
using a
that.
diagram.
So without
Let's
using
take
the
another
diagram, the video will show you
Each
what you're
whole
going to
is
do.
worth 2 because our denominator is 2. I have 4 wholes, so that means I have 4 lots of 2, or 4 times 2. That's 8.
Okay.
And I have another part here to
Remember
add in for the
how?
numerator.
Multiply first.
So
The
8
whole
plus
number
1 is
with the
9.
denominator,
That's our
and
number.
then you're going
So
to
that's
add the
our
numerator. Then the answer is 9, and then copy the denominator. So that the improper fraction is 9 over 2. 4 and 1/2 is equals to 9 over 2.
4 wholes. Each whole is worth 2 parts, plus 1 more part out of 2. That's 9 parts out of 2.
Yes.
It's the same answer.
Okay, that's easier. You're going to multiply first the whole number and the denominator, and then you're just going to add the numerator.
So we say
5 times 4 equals 20 plus 3 equals 23. You're going to put 23 as the numerator and then just copy the denominator. So the answer is 23 over 4.
6 wholes.
Okay.
Each whole is worth 3 parts.
Also,
So
6 times 3 equals 18 plus 2 equals 20. So 20 is our numerator, and then just copy the denominator. The answer is 20 over 3.
3/5. 8 wholes. Each whole is worth 5 parts. So 8 times 5
Equals
is
40 plus 3 equals 43. So the numerator is 43 and copy 5 as the denominator. The answer is 43 over
So
5.
when you're changing a mixed number to an improper fraction, you take the whole number and you multiply
it to the denominator and then add the product to the numerator. Okay, and the last one, the product, put it as the numerator and then just copy the
This will
denominator.
soon be second nature for you. If this film helped you, please click the thumbs up for me.
Okay, so thank you for that wonderful video. Okay, that is changing mixed number to improper fraction. Again, first you have to multiply the whole number to the denominator, and then the product, you are going to add it to its numerator. Okay, so the product of the whole number and the denominator plus the numerator is your numerator, and then just copy the denominator. Do you understand? So that's just how to change mixed number to improper fraction. Now vice versa, now we are going to change improper fraction to whole number. Now these are the steps. Please listen. First, you have to divide the numerator with the denominator. So a fraction has this numerator and denominator. Okay, so now, first you're going to divide the numerator to the denominator. Next step, the whole number in your quotient is the whole number in your fraction. And then, the remainder and the divisor is your proper fraction. Remember that a whole, okay, or an improper mixed number is composed of a whole number and a proper fraction. So the first thing you should do is divide the numerator and the denominator, and then when you get the whole number in your quotient, okay, that will be your whole number in your fraction, and then the remainder and the divisor is your proper fraction. Now I'm going to show you again a video on how to do this for you to fully understand how to change improper fraction to mixed number. Okay, so listen again to this video.
fractions. How to change an improper fraction
To a mixed number.
Proper fractions look like this. The numerator, the top number, is always less than the denominator.
Yes.
We're used to seeing this kind of fraction. But check out the improper fraction. It's top
The
heavy.
numerator is greater than the denominator in an improper fraction. Always remember that.
6/4 means 6/4. 4/4 is 1 whole, and we have 2/4 left over. So 6/4 equals 1 2/4.
Okay, so how did we do that?
We could do these problems using diagrams like I just showed you, but
Yes.
if we use math, we can work them out much faster.
Yes.
Let's think. 7/2 means 7 halves. And it also means 7 divided by 2.
Yes.
When we
First, you're going to divide the numerator to the denominator.
Using division, 7 divided by 2.
Okay, 7 divided by 2, 3. Okay, there's a remainder 1.
How many 2's in 7? 3 2's are 6, remainder 1.
Okay.
Put that over the
So
original
3 is the whole number, 1 is the numerator, and just copy the denominator. Okay, so the answer is 3 and 1/2.
Okay, now we've proved the method works. It's time to do some examples.
Yes. So here are other examples. We have 8/3, 8 divided by 3,
6,
2. There's a remainder 2, and then we're just going to copy the denominator. So the answer is 2 and 2/3.
How many 5's in 14?
Okay, so 14/5, we have 2 and 4/5. Okay.
Last one.
18/7. So we have
18.
2 over
Remainder
2 and 4/7. Okay. So the answer of 18/7 is 2/4/7.
Improper fractions are no problem. You got this.
Okay.
Now, all you need is some practice.
Yes. So that's how you change improper fraction to mixed number. You're just going to divide the numerator to the denominator. So the quotient will be the whole number and the remainder will be the numerator of the proper fraction, and then you're just going to copy the denominator. Okay? So I have your question. How can you change mixed number to improper fraction? So how can you change mixed number to improper fraction? First, you're going to multiply the whole number and the denominator, and then you're going to add the numerator to the product, and the answer will be the numerator, and then you're just going to copy the denominator. Multiply the whole number and the denominator, add the numerator to the product, and that will be your numerator, and then copy your denominator. So next we have, how can you change improper fraction to mixed number? You're just going to divide the numerator to the denominator. The quotient will be the whole number. The remainder will be the numerator, and just copy the denominator. Okay, so that's how you change mixed number to improper fraction and change improper fraction to mixed number. Now, what did you learn today? Today we have learned about how to change improper fraction to mixed number and mixed number to improper fraction. Okay, so if you really did understand the lesson, let us proceed to your practice exercise. Okay, so your practice exercise will be answer focus letter A, page 235. And here is your evaluation. So you're going to answer focus letter B, page 236. Now, don't forget to answer your practice exercise and your evaluation because I am going to check it. Now, here is your assignment. You're going to answer take a leap, letter E, page 236. Now, don't forget to do your assignment because Teacher Joanna will check it. Do you understand me? Okay, so thank you for listening. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.